Breaking no contact with an avoidant feels like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. You reach out hoping for connection, but often trigger their withdrawal mechanisms instead. This happens because avoidants have neurological wiring that interprets pursuit as threat, not affection. Understanding this wiring helps you see why breaking contact rarely produces the closeness you seek and usually sets back both your healing processes. Avoidants have heightened amygdala response to emotional pursuit. Research from Dr. Joseph LeDoux's fear conditioning research at New York University shows that avoidant individuals experience increased amygdala activation when someone pursues emotional connection. Their brain literally interprets your reach out as danger, not opportunity. This isn't personal rejection. It's biological threat response wired from early attachment experiences. Their oxytocin system responds differently to proximity. Dr. Sue Carter's research at University of Illinois demonstrates that avoidants often have lower baseline oxytocin and different receptor sensitivity. What feels like bonding to you might feel like suffocation to them. Breaking contact introduces proximity cues that their nervous system interprets as overwhelming rather than comforting. Dopamine reinforces distance creation, not connection. Studies from Dr. Anna Lembke's addiction research at Stanford University show that avoidants experience dopamine release when they create distance, not when they connect. Each time you break contact and they withdraw, their brain gets a reward hit for creating space. This reinforces the very pattern you're trying to change. Their prefrontal cortex struggles with emotional integration under pressure. Research from Dr. Amy Arnsten's prefrontal cortex research at Yale University shows that avoidants have reduced connectivity between emotional centers and prefrontal regulation areas when feeling pursued. They literally can't think clearly about connection when feeling pressured because the neural pathways for integration under stress aren't developed. Now, what actually happens when you break no contact? First, it resets their deactivation cycle. Research from Dr. John Gottman's relationship research at University of Washington shows that avoidants need extended periods of no contact to overcome their deactivation strategies. Breaking contact, even gently, resets this timer to day one, keeping both of you stuck in the push-pull dynamic. Second, it reinforces their belief that closeness is dangerous. Each time you break contact and they withdraw, their amygdala learns, see, closeness leads to discomfort. Research from Dr. Joseph LeDoux's fear conditioning research at New York University shows that repeated experiences create stronger neural pathways. You're literally teaching their brain that your pursuit equals their distress. Third, it delays their potential reevaluation. Studies from Dr. Phillip Shaver's attachment theory research at University of California, Berkeley show that avoidants only reconsider relationships after extended periods of feeling completely safe from pursuit. Breaking contact signals that pursuit is still possible, keeping their threat system activated and preventing genuine reconsideration. Now, what to do instead when the urge strikes? First, redirect the energy physically. When you want to contact them, immediately do 5 jumping jacks, wash your face with cold water, or stretch your body. Research from Dr. Roy Baumeister's self-control research at Florida State University shows that physical redirection within 10 seconds reduces acting on impulse by 60%. Second, write the message but don't send it. Open a notes app and write everything you want to say. Research from Dr. James Pennebaker's expressive writing research at University of Texas shows that writing without sending provides 80% of the emotional release with 0% of the relationship consequence. Save it, read it tomorrow, then delete it. Third, contact someone else instead. When you want to reach your avoidant ex, immediately message a friend, call family, or connect with community. Research from Dr. John Cacioppo's loneliness research at University of Chicago shows that redirecting attachment energy to safe alternatives reduces obsession by 45% within 2 weeks. Track your progress in autonomy, not connection. Instead of measuring whether they're moving closer, track how many days you've maintained your boundary, how your anxiety has decreased, how your sleep has improved. Research from Dr. Stephen Hayes' acceptance and commitment therapy research at University of Nevada. Reno shows this focus increases self-respect and reduces obsession with avoidance. Expect the urge to peak around full moons. Sounds mystical, but has biological basis. Research from Dr. Matthew Walker's sleep research at University of California, Berkeley shows that lunar cycles influence emotional sensitivity and attachment system activation. Knowing your urges might intensify around full moons helps you prepare rather than being surprised. Your healing matters more than testing their availability. Research from Dr. Judith Herman's trauma and recovery research at Harvard Medical School shows that focusing on your recovery rather than testing an avoidance availability increases long-term well-being by 50% regardless of relationship outcome. Your journey deserves undivided attention. Time reveals truth with avoidance. Pursuit obscures it. Research from Dr. Daniel Kahneman's pattern recognition research at Princeton University shows that extended no contact provides clearer information about an avoidance capacity for connection than any amount of pursuit. Patience reveals what pressure never can. And hey, before you go, there's a 3D game called Inner Phoenix. You walk through it like a quiet temple with rooms for what you're observing about your urge to break contact, what you're feeling about the distance, what you need for boundary strength, and what you might try next for your autonomous healing journey. It was made for exactly these moments when someone's wiring makes pursuit feel like the only option. No pressure. It's in the description below whenever you're ready. If this video helped explain why breaking no contact with avoidance usually backfires, would you do me a favor? Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Your support helps these videos reach others navigating these particularly confusing dynamics.